Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to connect your Xbox controller to an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. The first thing we need to do is make sure your controller is not currently paired with another active device, such as your Xbox. You could make sure your Xbox is fully powered off and disconnected first. Next, make sure your Xbox controller has battery power or is connected to a power source with a cable. Finally, only newer Xbox controllers will have Bluetooth, so if you have an older one, it might not work. To get connected, open the settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on with the toggle switch. Once it's on, power on your controller with the Xbox button and then press and hold the pair button on the controller for a few seconds. This is the small circle button next to the charging port. The Xbox light should start flashing, and if you look on your phone after a few seconds in the Other Devices section, you should see Xbox Wireless Controller. Tap on this and then tap on Pair when this message appears. It should move to the My Devices section and say Connected next to it, and if you press on the blue eye icon, you can forget this device, but only if you need to disconnect it in the future. If you press the Xbox button, the Game Center should open on your iPhone and you can navigate this screen and play games that support the use of the controller. That's how to connect your Xbox controller to an iPhone or iPad in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.